Matt, hop over here real quick. So a lot of you original guys are obviously going to know this, but for some of the chopper dudes that have never worked on an original bike or have seen it, this is your petcock on a stock antique Harley-Davidson. So you loosen that, and once it's loose and it's not engaged in the threads anymore, that's your fuel on. So to turn it on reserve, you lift that up, and that gives you a little bit extra fuel. So the other thing is, when you're starting it, this is to retard your timing. So on your distributor, so you rotate this to retard and advance your timing. So, and then the same thing on the throttle. There's not a spring back on the throttle. So the throttle stays open as soon as you let off, right? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
There's no, where on a new or chopper style throttle, that springs back.
Yeah.
So anyways, starting sequence, obviously turn the fuel on. The choke is over here. Push the choke all the way down. I kick it twice with the key off. The key's right here. So key off, I kick it twice, and I've already done this, so I don't need to do it. And then flip the choke up and one click back. And that's my starting sequence. And also, and then you got to retard the timing here. So if you see here, that's fully retarded, and then you can advance it. So I go about halfway retarded, halfway advanced, and then hop on, and then turn the key on. Give her a kick.
See you later.